Sarah Rae, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. It is Subscribers Week. If you are new here and you don't know what that is, it is something I created at the beginning of the year where I go into my comment section, pick a subscriber or viewer who has requested 2 songs from one artist, and I do that reaction. They become the subscriber or viewer of the day, and I do this for a week straight. We do have a playlist called Subscribers Week. I will link it in the description box down below, and you can go in there and check out our previous Subscribers Week that we have done. Also, you keep touch with all of our videos we are doing this week. I will also be linking those videos individually in the description box down below as well. Today, the subscriber or viewer is Darren Hastings. Thank you so much for your request. We are doing Bad Company. I am so excited. I love me some Bad Company. And the songs we're doing today is Seagull and Rocksteady. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's just jump straight into it. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications of when I upload, and let's get listening to some Bad Company. So the first song we are listening to is Seagull, so let's get straight into it.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Here is a man asking the question, is this really the end of the world? Seagull, you must have known for a long time the shape of things to come. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why, and you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Na, 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 na. Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why, and you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Seagull, you fly. Seagull, you fly away, and you fly away today, and you fly away tomorrow, and you fly away, lead me to my sorrow.
Seagull. As always, I'm going to tell you what I think the song is about, and I have the lyrics pulled up. So, I get the feeling that this song is going to be one of those songs that means something different to each person. What I view this song to be about is somebody who deals with mental health and struggles with their life. Maybe they have a drug addiction or some kind of mental health issue where they just want to be free and be like a seagull, almost like the song Freebird by Leonard Skinner. You just want to be free and fly, and you know, that's what I think this song is about. Let me know your guys' opinions. Leave it in the comment section down below. Now, let's talk about the song itself. The vocals were beautiful, they were strong and captivating. The guitar really brings out those vocals even more. There was such imagery in this song, a mood, and it created such an atmosphere within this song. It's incredible. There was heart and soul. You could feel almost like that life and kind of a letting go to be free in it. It's very moving, again, deep, and very hauntingly beautiful at the same time. There's a lot of emotion, very profound song, and yet it's quite simple but complex at the same time. I love it. It was beautiful. Let's move on to Rock Steady. Rock Steady. Again, I'm going to tell you what I think this song is about. I have the lyrics pulled up here, and I think it is talking about some intimate situations here. That rock steady is a little bit of a cheeky term for, you know, being intimate with another person. I think he's talking about having a woman stay over the night with him, and they're gonna rock steady. If you are getting what I'm putting down here, that's what I think the song is about. Let me know your guys' opinions on what you think the song is about. Leave it in the comment section down below. Now, let's talk about the song itself. The vocals, again, love them. Incredible, playful, powerful, strong. The range was incredible for a male vocalist. Definitely incredible. The riff was powerful as well and heavy. Oh, I love the sound of it. Definitely sounds 70s, and I love the sound of the guitar riffs in the 70s. They just have a certain sound to them. It's just incredible. This song sounds like it would have been like, oh, just killer live, you know. I think after this I'm definitely gonna go and look up some videos of it live, because it just sounds like it would be so fun and like rowdy, you know. Just incredible. Bad Company to me is very underrated. They're incredible. I think they don't get enough credit for how much they can do and how incredible they are. The drums, incredible tempo. The drum work, beautiful. It was catchy and fun. This is rock and roll right here. This is rock. Balls to the wall, rowdy, bar type, just gritty. You know, like we've talked about, if you've seen any of my Def Leppard Saturday videos when we were listening to High and Dry, how it was just rowdy and gritty, you know. That's this. This is real rock to the core, you know. This is it. I love it. This is the music I love right here. And the beginning made me think of Livewire from Motley Crue, so you can definitely see where they got it from. So some inspo there, that from Motley Crue. They must have had some Bad Company vibes when creating Livewire, the intro. So I thought I'd add that in there. I don't know if anybody else got that vibe from the intro, but I certainly did. I loved both of these songs. Very catchy, very strong, and the vocals were just incredible. Both songs. Bad Company is just incredible. Let me know your guys' opinions. Leave them in the comment section down below. Tomorrow is Saturday, so of course it's going to be Def Leppard Saturdays. That's the only day of subscriber week that is not a subscriber week video, because it's always Def Leppard Saturday, so it's our regularly scheduled Def Leppard Saturday. But your next subscriber week video is the last video of the subscriber week, and that's going to be some Skid Row. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!